Let's make a Finnish himmeli for Christmas. Traditionally, a himmeli was made to bring good fortune for the next year's harvest, and they were crafted from dried straw. Well, nowadays it's very hard to find dried straw, so I was absolutely delighted when I found paper straws in natural colors. Of course, you can use any colors you like, even black or metallic, depending on what suits your decor. Traditional straw is much thinner and also cracks easily. So you'll need a couple of packs of straws, some thread and scissors, and the biggest needle you have at home. First you need to cut exactly 12 same length straws. Then you are going to link them together. Always take two and then join them with the existing ones to create this kind of shape. Thread the string, preferably not a very thin string, through the straws using the needle. First make a triangle and tie a knot, but not too tightly. Then thread 2 more straws and tie them to the previous section. When you repeat this, 12 straws will form this shape. As you notice, it looks not finished, but it's actually finished now. The last one is not joined anywhere. You should link that one to the place where you started from, so that string there together with the last one, and tie a knot. Then we have there, it's quite easy to see what to do next, because the remaining ones just need to be linked. So lift them together and tie a knot. This is the basic shape that you can create the whole himmeli with. I usually start with the biggest ones and then go to make the smaller ones. It's easier like that, because I usually make it so that first, after the big one is done, I create one half the size, because half the size you can still squeeze in to the big one. Creating a basic shape of himmeli is very easy to do. Even I can remember it after these decades. So when you're using straws, it's so much easier because they don't break down like straws. Just remember to cut them exactly the same length so that you won't have any troubles. Here I go with the bigger one to the middle, and then it's just a matter of design where to put the smaller ones. It looks here on the video more difficult than it actually is. It's just making 2 knots in the end. Making a himmeli is easy, and it's also a fun Christmas craft to do with children. But remember that it does take time, and try to think about how to place the pieces of different sizes as you go. There is no single correct design to be a Finnish himmeli. You can use your imagination. The easiest way is to hang the himmeli somewhere and add the pieces little by little. Here you can see how a half-sized piece fits nicely inside a larger one. You can hang the pieces at different heights. I always like to add something to the corners. You could actually put even bigger ones there, but remember to make it balanced and also symmetrical. You also notice why I said balanced and symmetrical, because if they're not symmetrical, it will be not hanging straight because of the weight of the different pieces. So symmetrical is a good idea here. Remember to keep the knots a little bit loose, not that tight, so that they will turn around nicely in the air. How about one more to the center? Maybe. Of course, if you would be using straws that are thinner, this would be looking even better when you don't see so much the knots. But you can also use a string that is, for example, red, so that it will look more Christmassy then. Merry Christmas to you. Hyvää joulua.